Welcome back to Dinar Community, your trusted destination for the latest on Iraq's economic transformation, global currency movements, and the long-anticipated Iraqi dinar revaluation. Today marks a turning point. As of May 2025, the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar is no longer speculation, it's a confirmed event. And leading this historic financial shift is none other than Bank of America. That's right. One of the world's largest financial institutions has officially stepped into the spotlight to initiate this major development. For years, dinar holders have been waiting patiently, wondering when this moment would finally arrive. Now that it's here, the impact could be extraordinary. This is more than a milestone for Iraq, it's a global pivot. In this report, we'll unpack exactly what this means for your dinar holdings, why it's happening now, what key developments made it possible, and how you can navigate the steps ahead. Bank of America steps forward. Earlier today, Bank of America confirmed its direct involvement in the Iraqi dinar revaluation. This isn't just a financial partnership, it sends a powerful signal to the global market that Iraq is re-emerging as a stable, investable nation. For years, investors worldwide have been looking for a credible sign that Iraq's economy was turning the corner. This move provides just that. As one of the most influential banking institutions globally, Bank of America's participation shows they see long-term value and potential in Iraq's financial future. Their global presence means that Iraq is no longer viewed as a volatile or high-risk environment, but instead as a country on the rise. This could prompt a wave of interest from other banks and institutions, setting off a chain reaction that reshapes Iraq's financial landscape. The first wave of exchanges begins. What makes this development even more significant is that Bank of America is now facilitating the first rounds of dinar exchanges at the new rate. While the exact exchange rate has not been publicly disclosed, sources indicate that the increase is substantial, far beyond the long-standing rate of 1,310 Iraqi dinars to one United States dollar. If these early indications are accurate, many who have held onto dinar for years could now see considerable returns. But it's crucial to move forward wisely. The exchange process will vary based on your location, provider, and tax regulations, so be sure to work with verified institutions. Keep thorough records, confirm every step, and avoid risky shortcuts. Why now? What sparked this in May 2025? Many are asking, why did this happen now? The answer lies in Iraq's slow but steady progress over the last several years. Behind the scenes, Iraq has made major improvements in its fiscal management, economic policy, and international relations. One of the key developments is the growth of Iraq's gold reserves, now sitting at roughly 152 metric tons, valued at over $4 billion. This gives Iraq a much stronger financial backing and makes it more attractive to global investors and institutions. Additionally, Iraq has revamped its budgeting system, moving from confusing, oversized trillion-based figures to more practical billion-level accounting. This shift reflects greater financial discipline and a modernized approach to governance. Pair this with a nationwide education campaign on monetary reform, plus partnerships with the IMF and World Bank, and you've got a country that's taken serious steps toward stability and credibility. A global ripple effect. Make no mistake, this revaluation doesn't just affect Iraq. A stronger Iraqi dinar means greater buying power for Iraq, which could boost demand for foreign goods and stimulate international trade. Countries like the US, China, Turkey, and members of the EU could benefit from stronger trade ties and investment opportunities. Foreign investors will no longer see Iraq as a volatile frontier, but as an emerging market worth tapping into, especially with its vast oil reserves, natural resources, and strategic geographic location. If this momentum continues, Iraq could attract billions in new investments, sparking growth in energy, infrastructure, and innovation. This event may even inspire other nations with struggling currencies to consider similar revaluation strategies. More than numbers, a symbol of strength. For those who've held dinar through thick and thin, from war to political upheaval, this moment is more than just a financial victory. It's validation of long-held hope and belief in Iraq's future. The Iraqi dinar revaluation is a sign that Iraq is entering a new chapter, one defined by self-reliance, vision, and determination. And with Bank of America at the forefront, the world is taking notice. Caution and preparedness are key. While this is exciting news, it's important to remain careful and well-informed. Revaluations are complex. Policies, exchange procedures, and rates may still evolve. Expect more announcements in the days and weeks ahead. Scammers often appear during high-stakes events like this, pretending to be bank officials or offering early access to new rates. Be extremely skeptical of any unverified offers. Your best strategy is to stay informed through reliable channels, work with certified financial advisors, and avoid anything that feels rushed or suspicious. Key questions from the community. Let's quickly address some of the top questions coming in from you, our Dinar community audience. 1. When will the new rate be announced publicly? While no official date has been released, insider sources suggest the announcement could come within weeks. Bank of America's involvement shows we're already in motion. 2. How could this affect the global economy? A revalued dinar strengthens Iraq's position globally, especially in oil markets. It could shift trade balances, increase foreign investment, and even impact energy pricing strategies. 3. What should dinar holders do now? Begin preparing your documentation, research trustworthy exchange locations, and stay away from any unconfirmed information. Be methodical. Don't let urgency lead to poor decisions. Looking ahead, what comes after the RV? This revaluation may only be the first phase in Iraq's economic revival. With enormous oil reserves, a young population, and growing infrastructure, Iraq could be on the path to becoming a key economic player in the region. The government is already working on foreign investment strategies, energy upgrades, education reform, and private sector expansion. Iraq isn't just trying to recover, it's laying the foundation for long-term, sustainable prosperity. Final thoughts. A moment decades in the making. As we wrap up this groundbreaking update, take a moment to appreciate the scale of what's unfolding. The Iraqi Dinar RV is more than just a currency shift. It's a triumph of resilience, a reward for those who believed through years of uncertainty. Iraq is finally reclaiming its role on the global stage, with a strong currency, strategic partnerships, and the resources to shape its own destiny. For dinar holders, this is your chance, but only if you move with clarity, caution, and commitment. Stay connected, stay smart, and above all, stay hopeful. If this update gave you clarity and confidence, please like, share, and subscribe to Dinar Community for more reliable, timely updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear what this moment means to you. This isn't the beginning of the RV. It's already happening, and you're here to witness it.